When planning home improvement projects in Sanford, hiring local window services is a decision that brings numerous advantages, transforming your space with professionalism, efficiency, and a personal touch. From enhancing your home's energy efficiency to supporting the community, working with a local company ensures a rewarding and cost-effective experience. Here are the key benefits of hiring local window experts for your home projects. Expert knowledge of local climate and building codes. Sanford's unique climate can take a toll on your windows, impacting energy efficiency, structural integrity, and more. Local window services are well versed in specific weather patterns in the area, including heat, humidity, and potential storm conditions. These expertise allow them to recommend window solutions tailored to your home's needs, enhancing energy efficiency and longevity. Moreover, local professionals are familiar with Sanford's building codes and regulations. They ensure that your window installations comply with local standards, minimizing the risks of delays and fines. Hiring a local expert saves you time and stress by navigating the paperwork and requirements seamlessly. Personalized customer service and reliability. Local window companies in Sanford are built on community trust and reputation. They take pride in delivering outstanding service to maintain their standing within the community. This customer-focused approach often translates into personalized attention, quicker response times, and dedication to getting every detail right. Unlike larger national chains, where you might be just another number, a local service often provides a more hands-on experience. From initial consultations and product recommendations to installation and follow-up support, you'll receive a dedicated attention that reflects a genuine commitment to your satisfaction. Support for the local economy. By hiring Sanford-based window services, you're supporting the local economy and fostering job growth within the community. Local business often source materials from nearby suppliers, creating a ripple effect of economic benefits throughout the area. Investing in a local company helps strengthen the community and contributes its growth and vitality. Better understanding of local aesthetic preferences. Homeowners in Sanford appreciate homes that complement the area's style and charm. Local window professionals understand the architectural preferences and design trends that resonate with the community. Whether you own a historic home or a modern residence, they can recommend and install windows that align with your home's aesthetic, enhancing curb appeal and value. Their familiarity with Sanford's neighborhoods also allows them to make recommendations tailored to your specific property, ensuring that your windows blend seamlessly with surrounding homes. Quick and efficient service. Local window companies are typically more accessible than their national counterparts, leading to faster service delivery. Proximity to your home means shorter wait times for consultations, measurements, and installations. If any issues arise, they can respond promptly and make adjustments or repairs as needed, ensuring your project stays on track. High-quality workmanship and craftsmanship. Local window services rely heavily on word-of-mouth recommendations, which motivates them to deliver top-notch workmanship. They often provide meticulous installations, attention to detail, and superior craftsmanship. This focus on quality ensures that your windows are installed correctly, maximizing their lifespan and reducing the need for future repairs. Many local window services also offer warranties and guarantees on their work, reflecting their confidence in their skills and dedication to customer satisfaction. Cost savings and flexible options. Choosing a local window service in Sanford can often result in cost savings compared to hiring a national chain. With less overhead and lower transportation costs, they are often able to offer competitive pricing. Additionally, local businesses tend to be more flexible with their offerings, providing customized solutions to meet your budget and project requirements. Environmentally friendly practices. Many local window companies prioritize sustainable practices, using energy-efficient materials and eco-friendly products. This commitment to the environment helps reduce your home's carbon footprint while improving energy efficiency. When you work with a local expert, you can feel confident that your project aligns with modern sustainability standards. Conclusion: hiring local window services in Sanford for your home projects offers unmatched benefits, including expert knowledge, personalized service, support for the local economy, and superior craftsmanship. By choosing a local professional, you invest in your home's value and comfort while fostering community growth. For homeowners in Sanford, working with a trusted local service ensures a smoother, more rewarding home improvement experience from start to finish. Whether you're replacing windows for energy efficiency or enhancing your home's appearance, partnering with a local expert is a decision that pays off in countless ways.